try to push this, you know, it's just over here, and you go straight forwards with this, it's gonna go into like a V. Okay, so it's almost, I'm gonna lay that right there. So it's like there's a little device here that forces this thing to go into that center. Okay, so if this thing is right there, that means it's gonna go perfectly forward straight. So if you turn that up to a 1 or a 2, it's gonna go perfectly straight.
That's in that V?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so if that same thing, if I go straight back where it goes into that V, it's gonna go straight back. So if you're hauling butt doing a straight line, you can adjust that throttle to go the speed you want going a straight line versus cranking it all the way up and then having to go whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so you get going fast all the way forwards and then you kind of correct to keep that blade edge on that edge of that carpet or that VCT.
Yeah, I was doing the herky-jerky thing. I didn't know about that, so that's nice. I'm like, well, shit, I
So
got to learn.
that's what's really nice about that throttle is you can, okay, if full throttle is too much, instead of having to pull that back and tether it, now you can just pull it back.
I like that.